Sup guys? Today mag-unbox tayo ng latest phone from Samsung, the Galaxy Note 10. So, tingnan natin ano yung mga included sa box. We have the unit itself. Ang kinuha ko is yung Aura Black with 256GB internal storage, yung pin for the SIM or card slot together with the manual, which wala naman nagbabasa nito. Then, may free SIM na kasama from local carrier. Meron ding AKG earphones na USB-C instead of the 3.5mm jack. A USB-C cable for the charger and 25 watts fast charging adapter. And of course, may spare tips for the stylus or S Pen. Syempre, bago natin buksan yung phone, tanggalin muna natin yung cover. Okay, so let's turn on the device. So, I upgraded from S7 Edge, which I bought last August 2016 dahil nag-overheat yung existing phone ko noon, which is yung Note 5. And they don't have a stock replacement for that, so they gave me a refund instead. Anyway, so bukas na yung phone. Prior making this video, somewhat na-setup na siya kaya hindi na nag-display yung initial setup. Since Samsung needs to perform checks and confirm with me na hindi defective yung unit. So, quick specs lang, 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Yung phone is 7.9mm thick. And syempre, bummer, tinanggal na nila yung headphone jack.
You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy this and not join them!
Yung camera cutout nasa gitna na since yung display edge to edge na compared to last year's model na hindi sagad yung display sa area ng camera. Pero yung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus nasa corner yung camera. So, ang difference here is na nilipat na siya sa gitna. Ngayon, na-try natin mag-register ng fingerprint just to check how fast it can open from the lock screen. Yung on-screen fingerprint or ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, nag-start siya from Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So, before that, nasa tabi ng camera yung fingerprint sensor just like from the Galaxy Note 9 last year. Okay, so ito yung sa fingerprint. Okay, so ang fail ko kasi kaliwang thumb yung ginamit ko instead of the right. For face unlock, by default, pag nag-register ka lang ng face, hindi siya automatically pupunta sa home screen after ka ma-recognize. You have to go to settings and disable stay on lock screen. You might as well disable faster recognition para hindi siya mag-unlock pag nakapikit ka. Now we will just perform some quick camera checks kung ano yung mga newly added features sa Note 10. Yung live focus, magandang feature, but from my initial trial, hindi siya ganun consistent. Minsan hindi niya makita yung subject, but overall, it works pretty well. Another new feature is yung S Pen gestures, which compared from last year's Note 9, ngayon, pwede mo siya gamitin to navigate through camera settings, including zooming in and zooming out. Parang Harry Potter lang. Then, meron na ring AR Doodle, which pwede ka mag-drawing sa subject and mag-stay lang siya mismo sa subject kahit na gumalaw siya kahit saan. The Note 10 has also a handwriting to text feature. So, kunwari nag-quick notes ka, pwede mo siya i-convert to text and from my test, accurate naman siya. Or well, depende siguro sa penmanship mo. Well, okay na sana na tinanggal ni Samsung yung Bixby physical button. Pero in-integrate na siya sa power button ngayon. Pero you have the option to disable it by going to the settings, advanced features, side key, and then select power off menu. For camera specs, we have the 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 12 megapixel dual pixel with 1.5 or 2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Here's the flash, and yung 3D VGA time of flight sensor. Just to add na may included na rin na liquid crystal case, decent case to protect your phone from minor bumps and scratches. So, kumuha din pala ako ng Galaxy Buds, pero sadly they don't have the stock for black, so I got the white instead. So, let's try wireless Powershare, which unang lumabas din sa S10 and S10 Plus. So, makarinig mo or magva-vibrate siya pag na-detect na niya na nag-charge na yung device mo. Or pag check mo ng buds, makikita mo rin naman yung status ng battery based sa LED color. Next, try natin yung S7 Edge ko. So, Nagcha-charge naman siya wirelessly, pero hindi siya fast charging. So, compare lang natin yung sa previous Note variant. Meron tayong Note 8 on hand ngayon. So, sa Note 10, ngayon lang na-introduce yung feature na pag nag-one tap ka ng screen, it will trigger the always on display. And pag nag-double tap ka, pupunta siya sa lock screen. Sa Note 8, wala pang ganong feature, but if you hold or hard press the home button, pupunta naman siya sa lock screen. So that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and see you in our next video. Compare lang siya sa Note 8. So, ay, sorry. Kaya pala na itatakanta ka, sorry.
Nagulat ako.